5 innovative tech products you've never heard of. 1. Biodegradable electronic devices. These eco-friendly gadgets are designed to decompose harmlessly after their useful life, reducing electronic waste and environmental impact. 2. Emotion tracking wearables. Advanced wearables that can detect and interpret emotions through biometric data, offering insights into mental well-being and stress management. 3. Haptic feedback keyboards. Keyboards that provide tactile feedback through vibrations, enhancing typing speed and accuracy by simulating the feeling of physical keys. 4. Quantum dot displays. These displays offer improved color accuracy, brightness, and energy efficiency compared to traditional LED screens, delivering stunning visuals. 5. DNA data storage. Using DNA molecules as a storage medium, this technology has the potential to store vast amounts of data in a compact and long-lasting form.